Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the stick sensitivity and aiming curve on your DualSense Edge controller on your PS5. So we can just go to settings right here, going down to accessories. Choose this and then go to DualSense Edge. Go to the right and go to custom profile. And if you don't already have a custom profile created, go to create one on the top. And then you can go to unassigned and assign it a position under your main slot. I believe you got to go over here to this option right here, and you can move it to the assigned slots. So once you have it under the assigned slots, I got FPS, Call of Duty, and let's go to FPS now. Go to where it says stick sensitivity and Deadzone, and you got to choose the right or left stick. And then I usually just like the quick one. This one is just a little bit more of an increase when you just barely move your stick to the right or left or up and down, etc. And you can see it right there. So it's going to speed up right about here. And it's going to cause it to spin a little bit quicker. So I like that for aiming. And you got precision, steady, digital. Digital I do not like, or dynamic. I don't like dynamic either. So quick is usually one I go with. And then we got the curve adjustment. So we can make it more or less. So usually it just keep it right here. It depends on the game. And then we got the Deadzone. So I usually keep the Deadzone at 0. And then most of the time in the game, you have the option to adjust that too. So just look through these. Maybe you want to go ahead and just switch these up a little bit. So just test them out in your game. Maybe go to like a firing range or something like that. And then you can apply them. So I got a couple different setups. I got FPS. So this one's got quick. Call of Duty setup. It has nothing on it. Kingdom Come Deliverance is just like a normal controller without vibration. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.